Welcome to our channel, where today we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Hulu free trial and start streaming instantly. Welcome to our channel, where today we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Hulu free trial and start streaming instantly. If you're new to Hulu or looking to explore what it offers without commitment, this step-by-step guide will have you watching your favorite shows and movies in no time. First, open your web browser and go to Hulu's official website. Look for the option that says Start Your Free Trial, which is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click on this button to begin the sign-up process. Next, you will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address, create a secure password, and provide your personal details as requested. Make sure to use an email that you check regularly, since Hulu will send confirmation and billing information there. After setting up your account, choose the plan that best fits your viewing needs. Hulu typically offers multiple plans such as basic streaming, premium options without ads, and bundles including live TV. Select the one that suits you, remembering that the free trial applies based on the plan selected. Once your plan is chosen, you will enter your payment information. Though this step is required, you will not be charged until your free trial period ends. Hulu accepts various payment methods including credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal. Double-check your details and make sure everything is correct. Hulu may offer additional features or add-ons. You can choose these now or skip to proceed. Before completing your sign-up, review Hulu's terms and conditions and privacy policy to understand what you agree to. Finally, confirm your subscription and activate your free trial. You'll receive a confirmation email and can immediately start exploring Hulu's extensive content library. To enjoy your free trial to the fullest, remember to mark the trial end date on your calendar if you decide not to continue the subscription. That way, you can cancel anytime without incurring charges. Thanks for following along this step-by-step activation guide for Hulu's free trial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video so you don't miss out on more helpful tips and tricks about streaming services and technology updates.